India-forums.com. Addiction at its best.
हम आपको लेकर आए हैं ये इश्क हाय के सेट पर, जहां आपको दिखाते हैं मंजरी और अक्षय की प्यार भरी नोकझोंक।
Hi friends, I'm Ronak Ahuja, Akshay.
And hi, I'm Srishti Manjari from Ye Ishq Hai.
Today we are shooting in a place called Mud Island. It's in a small corner of Bombay. And it's actually an island. It's the most beautiful place we have here. Surrounded by greenery everywhere, right?
Trees, yeah, and grass.
And today we had a 7 a.m. shift, so while we were driving all the way, there's fog all around. You know, everything is foggy, the weather is amazing. It's such a shame that, majority of the places in Bombay are nowhere close to this location. So I hope that all of us would get together and keep our city and our country clean.
And green.
And green. See friends, we only have one planet. And for the sake of our future, for the sake of humanity, I would suggest, I would hope, I would request you all to just follow the basic manners, like, don't pollute unnecessarily. Maybe just tag along a friend when you are going to a same location or something. Maybe burn less fuel. What else?
Plant trees.
Plant trees. Yeah.
Go green. Yeah, go green. हमारे शो में सिर्फ यही हो रहा है कि अभी I'm trying to search for रणबीर को ढूंढ रही हूँ मैं। रणबीर को ढूंढते ढूंढते मैं मुंबई आ चुकी हूँ and Akshay is giving me company. He is helping me to find Ranbir.
I've never seen Mumbai, so it's my first visit.
Yeah, our first visit to Mumbai.
I'll tag along.
नहीं, हम तो लड़ते झगड़ते नहीं हैं।
हम सिर्फ रियल लाइफ में झगड़ते हैं।
Oh God, हाँ, actually हम real life में बहुत झगड़ते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा. Like I keep hitting him like this, and I keep punching him.
And I keep doing this.
Yeah, and I keep punching him, and he keeps crying all the time. So जितना हम शो में नहीं लड़ते हैं, हम शो में तो इनफैक्ट कभी नहीं लड़े हैं, मैं थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ. आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है, उसे लड़ना नहीं कहते हैं, अदरवाइज रियल लाइफ में तो.
Today she almost broke my leg.
आइए सर, I'll introduce you. चित्रंजन सर, our director
है, the super great director. और प्लीज ये एडिट नहीं होना चाहिए.
और ये हमारे मंगेश सर, हमारे डीओपी. हाय तो बोलो सर.
Hi friends, today I'll take you on a ride with Manjari, aka Shrishti Adore Rode.
Yeah, he calls me Adore.
So on her journey till here, so Shrishti, being a part of this film industry since forever, how does it feel? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no, yeah, it's very great. I love the show. I love my show.
I'm talking about your journey. For the viewers that don't know, Adore's dad, Tony Rode, is one of the best cinematographers, DOPs that we've ever had. He's a legend of the industry. How does it feel?
It's awesome, yaar. My dad.
Yeah. So you've been a part of this industry forever, right? You've seen everything.
I have seen everything, but acting is different, yaar. मतलब बहुत अच्छा feel होता है that Papa's also there, but he's there to support me, and he does, and I have good support. Like my family knows that I'm safe and what I'm doing.
So you always knew that you're going to be a part of this industry?
No.
Never?
No.
So how come you ended up acting?
आ गया यार, मतलब जब talent होता है तो नहीं यार, but I always wanted to act. Like I love acting. It's my passion.
Since your dad is a industry legend, was the path any easier for you?
No, it's not like that. यार, it's totally different. पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि easy होता है, but मुझे भी हर एक normal लड़की की तरह I had to go through auditions and look test. And मैंने कम से कम I think I have given 25 के ऊपर look test for this show. I was giving my look test since June, and मुझे पता चला था August में मुझे पता चला था that I'm finalized. मतलब जून से I was giving my look test. मैंने इतने look test I've given, I've struggled, and it was great because I've struggled. That is why I'm so happy working. अगर शायद मुझे easily मिला होता, so I wouldn't have worked so hard. And I know my hard work, like for getting this show. So I really feel proud.
So you've been acting for like 4 years now?
Yeah, it's been 4 years.
So what have you done till now?
It's a stupid question.
Chalega, you have been acting for 4 years now?
Yes.
So how long do you plan to be in a part of this field, acting?
जब तक यार, मतलब till the time I get good work, I will keep working till I die.
So, what about Yeshka? How did that happen?
It's the most wonderful thing that has happened to me. I went for an audition, normal audition दिया मैंने, और फिर look test दिए and I was selected. मतलब I gave look test.
The usual struggling method.
हाँ, the usual, the normal method जो हर एक को, I think everybody has to go through that only, a normal audition and a look test, and then you come to know कि select हो या नहीं.
Yeah.
And you tell me, how did Yeshka happen to you?
For me, after Do Saheliyan, I took a 1 month break, I guess. I wanted to be a DOP, but I got a call from Z saying, "Do Sangini Mai this thing for us." I was not very keen, but I love Z people, so I said, "Okay, I'll do it."
How did Ye Ishq Hai
It's
happen
a story.
to you?
It's a story. It's a story. So Sangini, I was doing Sangini, and I got a call for Ye Ishq. I've been working with Spear since forever. You know, Spear is like my godfather. But so I said, I'm doing Sangini, so let it pass this time. They said, no, at least come and give the look test. Nisha, my creative, was like very keen that I give a look test at least. So I came, gave a look test, and things started rolling, and I really liked the show, and I love Spear. So I said, okay, let's do it.
How much have you struggled? Like, you know, if you're talking about struggling, you asked me कि मैंने कितना struggle किया and everything. तो तुमने कितना struggle किया?
See, I am from a very educational background, so I knew nothing about acting or this industry. So I have struggled a lot. At least जब start किया था मैंने, after my college, 3 months तक तो I was like thinking what to do, where to start. After that, I did a course for acting for 6 months. After that, I struggled for approximately 8-9 months. So it has been like 1.5 year for me.
और कितने साल से काम कर रहे हो?
I've been working continuously for at least 2 years now.
Okay, yeah, education से मतलब how did you think of acting? Like you always wanted to act?
Not really, but I've always loved this industry. I've always loved movies and stories, and I always wanted to be a DOP.
Yeah, exactly. He wanted to be a DOP.
Yeah, that's why I love her dad so much.
Yeah. Okay, good. And what else? You want to talk about yourself?
No, not really. I'm a
Tell
very,
people about
I'm a very shy
yourself.
person.
एंड वैलेंटाइंस डे आ रहा है, सो वैलेंटाइंस डे की क्या प्लानिंग है, क्या तैयारी है, और किसके साथ? Who's your Valentine?
I think it's going to be you because you're going to be shooting on 14th.
Oh God, like what a कितना गंदा आंसर था, बट हाँ
That's the truth. Right?
हाँ,
We're going to be shooting.
14 को हम शूट कर रहे होंगे.
But then after that, we are going to go to her mom's 14th anniversary, marriage anniversary.
मतलब the one
Playing your mom.
Yeah, the one who's playing my mom in the show.
So we'll be going to her anniversary. It's
Yeah.
right there. The house is right there. You can see it from here. It is. It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raj Exotic.
Okay, yeah. So हाँ, हमारा Valentine will be very boring.
No, not boring. We'll enjoy the party, man.
No, like यहाँ पे shooting,
हाँ, shoot.
हम लोग Valentine Day पे कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे.
But then we'll go to
We'll
the
try and
party.
enjoy. हाँ, we'll go to the party and enjoy in the night.
Yep. Shrishti is a clean-hearted kid. That's it. That's our difference. Energetic, clean-hearted, innocent, mischievous, sometimes annoying, but very talkative. But a good kid.
और ना किस तो पता नहीं, मैं यही सोचती हूँ कि जब भी छोटा बच्चा होगा ना तो बहुत इरिटेटिंग होगा, अपने मॉम डैड को इतना इरिटेट करता होगा, बिकॉज ये मुझे इतना परेशान करता है, इतना सारा टाइम मुझे मारते रहता है, या यू नो ही इज
मैंने कब मारा
he's like that only. He keeps hitting me all the time, सारा टाइम पिंच करते रहता है. He's calling me a kid. He's like a super kid. मतलब if I'm 12, he's 8. And look at his face. इतना innocent दिखता है, but please don't go on his looks because ये एक नंबर का चालाक लड़का है. He is very naughty, but he's very nice.
I keep teasing Aditi a lot that, my God, you're a superstar. So I guess I'd use it for that. India Forum's ranking feels bad if I don't go up all the time, but I guess it matters a little bit.
If my rank is ऊपर, then I will love you all. I had read on India Forums कि रौनक को एक corrupt पुलिस ऑफिसर का रोल करना है. So you know, आज तो बोली तो धमकी देना है. Suppose पुलिस ऑफिसर हो तुम और धमकी देना कि मेरा रैंक ऊपर पहुंचा, तो कैसे करूँ?
चलो यार, रैंक तो ठीक है, आती जाती रहेगी. What I will request you guys is go to our forum, Ye Ishq Hai forum. Comment a lot. Just give us your feedback. We love listening from you guys. धमकी तो भाई लोग ये इश्क है के फोरम में जाने का, अपना कमेंट देने का. हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, पर क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, अपन देख रहे हैं, अपन सब देख रहे हैं. तो तुम कमेंट करो, अपन रिप्लाई करेगा.
और अपने को अपना रैंक ऊपर पहुंचाने का है, तो तुम भी अपने का रैंक ऊपर पहुंचाने का.
Goa. She's a Goan girl, man. We love you guys. Please go to Ye Ishq Hai forum. Give us your feedback. This is Ronak Ahuja.
And Shrishti Road, Manjari.
Signing off from India Forums.
Bye.
We love you.